Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead. This one was just too good to pass up sharing. Just up front, it is in the customer service field, but is for youth sports. So, the company TeamSnap, they have a very high rating on Glassdoor. They have a 4.3 out of 5-star rating. Of course, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below. They are hiring a customer success specialist. Now, we'll get to it in just a moment. This is remote for the United States, except for a few select states, but they are very high paying, very high rated, so I just wanted to share. But a little bit about TeamSnap. They believe when the world connects through sports, the world becomes better. So they are a sports and communication platform dedicated to taking the work out of play in the youth sports division. They are looking for somebody to deliver that wow customer service experience while providing expertise during onboarding and strategy calls for customer setup through their first 30 days of using the service. You'll collaborate with new business and customer success managers to closely ensure that all the critical information is received during customer sign up and that you get the customer's first season of their sports and registration for their team running smoothly. You'll also provide feedback and product tools and processes that could improve the customer service adoption. So basically, you'll be providing platform guidance and training to customers during the first 30 days of using this service. Now, best thing about this, they're not requiring any kind of degree. They're looking for somebody who has a positive attitude and ready to help and be friendly. Somebody who can understand TeamSnap's product and services. Someone who has excitement for helping customers, great communication skills, and be available to work West Coast hours. The hours are going to be 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. PDT time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you're going to have to, so Pacific time zone, West Coast time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to that time zone to see if it works for you. Now they are paying, it says the minimum starting point for this role is $60,000 a year. So that is the bare minimum you will get offered. You could make more. Now, real quickly about the states, they hire throughout the United States except for Alabama, Alaska, D.C., Hawaii, Iowa, Louisiana, Mississippi, Nebraska, New Hampshire, New Mexico, Rhode Island, and South Dakota. But if you're in any other state, they are willing to hire you as long as you can work those West Coast hours. Now, on top of the fabulous pay, they do have a great benefit package that includes unlimited PTO. They pay 100% of your premiums for your medical, dental, and vision insurance, so it is no cost to you. They provide a 401k, $1,500 a year for training and development. They also provide a monthly stipend for health and wellness, so you can use that to pay for your gym memberships or anything like that. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. If you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, give this video a thumbs up like button because that gives me direct feedback. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.